What if a Falcon 9 rocket caught sight of something moving? Not in Earth orbit, but on the surface of a comet that came from another star system. The internet erupted with claims about SpaceX and 3i or Atlas. An interstellar visitor 7 billion years old, predating our Sun itself. But what's really happening? This ancient cosmic wanderer is racing through our solar system at a mind-blowing 61 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle Earth twice in under half an hour. And it came right through our cosmic neighborhood, carrying secrets from beyond our solar system. This isn't just another space rock. It's a messenger from another star. If we could analyze just a gram of its surface, scientists believe it might reveal chemical signatures unlike anything in our solar system. Could it hold the fingerprints of processes we've never seen before? The story of 3i and what may or may not have intercepted it is about to get even more fascinating. What makes 3/8 different from previous interstellar visitors like Oumuamua or Borisov? Its trajectory brings it remarkably close to Mars, just 0.2 astronomical units away. That's less than 19 million miles. For perspective, that's like having a once-in-a-lifetime scientific treasure sail past your neighborhood, close enough to reach out and touch. If only we had something ready to send. Scientists at NASA and other space agencies immediately recognized what they were seeing. A pristine sample of matter from beyond our solar system, carrying chemical secrets from another star. Its composition tells us it's a true comet with a coma and tail visible even from Earth. Hubble images revealed a dusty cloud stretching nearly 26,400 kilometers across. Inside that cloud, water, ice, organic molecules, and silica dust. Think about what that means. Water and organic compounds from another star system right on our cosmic doorstep. While astronomers worldwide trained their telescopes on 3IAS, strategic implications weren't lost on governments. Space agencies worldwide scrambled to collect data, knowing that whoever studies these objects first might unlock revolutionary insights. Could its ancient chemistry reveal compounds unknown to Earth science? Might its trajectory hold clues about gravitational effects from distant star systems? Let's stop right here. Think about it. A 7-billion-year-old comet sails through our solar system and we just watch it. No intercept, no probe. Why? Because we weren't ready. Would you have sent something if you could? Let us know in the comments before we reveal what scientists are now planning. If you love exploring mysteries at the edge of science, hit subscribe. It helps us bring you stories like this. First, the Falcon 9 connection. So, where does Falcon 9 come in? Recently, viral claims spread across the internet that a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket intercepted something moving on 3I's surface. The story caught fire online, suggesting an intentional mission to this interstellar visitor. Let's look at what Falcon 9 have actually been doing. On August 18, 2025, a Falcon 9 launched 24 Starlink satellites into polar orbit from Vandenberg, California. This marks SpaceX's 100th Falcon 9 launch of the year. But this was a routine satellite deployment in Earth orbit. No Falcon 9 has chased after 3, could it though? The math is sobering. By July 2025, 3i Atlas was already about 4.5 astronomical units from the Sun, roughly Jupiter's orbit, and moving outward at tremendous speed. Detailed studies show even a direct flyby from Earth would need an initial velocity change of 24 kilometers per second. That's about 86,000 km/h. Far beyond what a standard Falcon 9 can achieve. But what if we think bigger? Imagine strapping a small specialized interceptor to a Falcon Heavy or future Starship. With enough planning, humanity could chase these cosmic messengers. The technology exists today. We just need to be ready when the next interstellar visitor arrives. But here's the twist. Some scientists argue that 3i isn't just interesting. It may carry chemicals we've never seen before anywhere in the solar system. At 7 billion years old, it formed in a completely different stellar environment. The water, ice, and organic compounds detected by Hubble might have molecular structures unlike anything in our textbooks. Telescopes worldwide have confirmed something remarkable about 3IETL. Hubble Space Telescope images reveal it carries water, ice, organic molecules, and silicate dust from another star system. Think about that for a moment. We're detecting chemical compounds that formed billions of years ago in a completely different part of our galaxy. This raises a profound scientific question. Could 3I hold amino acids unlike any found in our solar system? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, the foundation of life as we know it. If 3I/ATLAS carries amino acid structures that don't match Earth's pattern, we'd have evidence that life's ingredients are widespread across the galaxy. Scientists call this concept panspermia, the idea that life's chemical seeds spread throughout space, carried on objects just like this interstellar visitor. Imagine finding a recipe card in your kitchen, but it's written in a language that doesn't exist on Earth. That's what scientists hope 3IATLAS could be. A recipe for alien chemistry. The spectrographic analysis already shows familiar elements in unfamiliar arrangements. If we could sample its surface directly, we might discover molecular structures that challenge everything we know about chemistry. And here's the question. If life's ingredients are everywhere, why haven't we found life itself? Is 3I12 delivering an answer or reminding us how rare life really is? And remember, this all started with claims about Falcon 9 spotting something on its surface. Whether or not that's true, it opens the bigger question. What is moving on 3IATLAS? The answer appears to be jets of gas and dust erupting as sunlight warms the comet's ancient ice. These natural outgassing events create the visible coma and tail that astronomers have detected. But without a direct probe, we're left wondering what secrets those eruptions might be revealing. We're facing a pattern that's becoming painfully clear. 3 interstellar visitors in less than a decade, and we've watched each one sail right past us. Oumuamua shocked astronomers in 2017. By the time we spotted it, it was already leaving our solar system. Too late to launch anything. Borisov appeared in 2019. A classic comet from another star, moving too fast for any existing spacecraft to catch. Now 3I in 2025, our third cosmic messenger, and still no Intercept mission ready to go. But imagine if 3I had shown up just 4 years later. We'd be preparing for humanity's first ever interstellar flyby. Instead, we're watching from the sidelines. In 2029, the European Space Agency plans to launch Comet Interceptor. This revolutionary spacecraft will park at the Sun-Earth L2.1.5 million kilometers from Earth and wait for the perfect target. Comet Interceptor will carry 3 separate probes designed to split up and fly through a comet from different angles. It could revolutionize our understanding of these ancient messengers. But 3/8 won't wait around for Comet Interceptor's launch. It's already swinging through our inner solar system, coming closest to the Sun around October 30th, 2025. 3 opportunities, 3 misses. How many more will we just watch pass us by? Here's the hard truth. Technology exists to chase these objects. We just haven't committed. That's not a scientific question anymore. That's political, financial, and strategic. Who will be first to grab a piece of another star? Some scientists are now pushing for a permanent ready-to-launch program. A spacecraft always prepared for these fleeting opportunities. The discoveries could transform our understanding of the galaxy and our place in it. Let's consider some possibilities that scientists are quietly discussing about 3FA and future interstellar visitors. What if its trajectory shows tiny unexplained deviations? Astronomers track these objects with incredible precision. Even minuscule changes in orbit could hint at unknown forces or gravitational effects we've never observed. The hyperbolic path of 3I already tells us it's not from our solar system. But what subtle secrets might be hidden in the precise mathematics of its journey? What if its chemical composition is so fundamentally different that our remote sensing can't properly analyze it? Our instruments are calibrated for solar system chemistry. An alien molecular structure might appear as noise or error in our data. This frustrating possibility keeps astrobiologists up at night. We might be looking right at revolutionary chemistry without recognizing it. And perhaps most compelling, What if next time one of these cosmic messengers passes much closer to Earth? 3LA will remain safely distant, never coming closer than 1.6 astronomical units to our planet. But what about the next visitor or the one after that? The unsettling truth is we have no way to predict their paths until they're already approaching our system. The scientific community faces an urgent question. Do we invest billions now in standby interception technology? Or do we wait and risk missing more opportunities? What would you do? Build a probe on standby or wait and risk missing the chance again? Because here's the thing. Astronomers now think these interstellar visitors might be common. This isn't the last time we'll face this choice. With improved detection capabilities, we might spot several each decade. Each one carrying unique chemical signatures from distant star systems. Each one offering a fleeting window into alien chemistry. The decisions we make now will determine whether humanity captures these cosmic opportunities or watches them disappear into the void. Now, let's close the loop with what scientists have actually confirmed about our interstellar visitor. 3I-RATS was first spotted on July 1, 2025 by the Atlas Survey telescope in Chile. Within 24 hours, astronomers confirmed its hyperbolic trajectory, the unmistakable signature of an interstellar object. This cosmic wanderer travels between 58 and 61 kilometers per second relative to our Sun. At that speed, you could go from Earth to the Moon in just over 6 hours. Scientists estimate it's approximately 7 billion years old. Older than our Sun and possibly older than half the stars in our galaxy. Its journey through our solar system reaches its closest point to the Sun, what astronomers call perihelion, on October 30, 2025. At that moment, it will be about 1.4 astronomical units from the Sun, just inside Mars' orbit. The Hubble Space Telescope and Gemini North Observatory have captured remarkable images showing a dusty coma approximately 26,400 kilometers across surrounding the nucleus. Spectroscopic analysis reveals water ice, organic molecules, and silicate dust, the classic signature of a natural comet. NASA has officially confirmed that 3I Atlas poses no danger to Earth. It will remain at least 1.6 astronomical units away from our planet at all times. And despite the viral rumors, no spacecraft, Falcon 9 or otherwise, has intercepted or interacted with 3I Atlas. The regular Falcon 9 launches in August 2025 were routine satellite deployments completely unrelated to this interstellar visitor. So yes, Falcon 9 didn't literally fly out and grab it. But what matters is what it represents. A piece of another star system just passed us by. And next time we might be ready. If you want to be here when that next object arrives, subscribe now and join us as we explore the greatest mysteries at the edge of the galaxy.